Om Shanti. Welcome friends to Himalayan Sankirtan. After a very long time, I get time to make video. I was quite busy to doing some healings, so I'm just making this video today on how to drink water, how yogi drinks water in their sadhanas, in their spiritual practices. Nowadays, we don't know what to eat, what to drink, how to eat, and what and when to eat. Just because of that, we feel so much disease in the body, mental and physical both. So today I will just make video how to drink water like yogis. Your body knows everything. We are not aware about our bodies. When we understand the body's symptoms, then we don't need to go to the doctors. Yogis follow very simple and very effective method in their life. If you follow this, you can also change your life only to change your drinking habit. I will make another video on how to eat, what to eat when you are doing some spiritual practices. Even if you are not doing spiritual practices, even you are not on your spiritual path, but you have to understand and learn this art in your life. And I will give this knowledge according to the yogis, according to the Ayurveda, and according to the Yoga Sutra Patanjali. How we need to start our day. When you wake up, whenever, even if you are a spiritual practitioner, definitely you will wake up early in the morning. The day start when you wake up early in the morning. So drink water without wash your teeth and mouth. Without. You can wash your teeth and mouth before sleeping, a day before, in the night. Every day you have to clean your teeth and mouth before sleeping in the night. And when you wake up early in the morning next day, so drink water as much as you can. But it should be lukewarm or room temperature, but not should be cold. No, never. I will give you the reason why, according to the Ayurveda and the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. So you have to drink water, 1 glass of water, 2 glass of water, maximum you can drink 1 liter. And slowly, slowly, you can increase your capacity to reach to the 1 liter. But drink water, and how to drink. When you wake up, just take water and drink and just roll in your mouth. Take all the saliva with that you have overnight in your mouth. Take that old saliva and drink. It will help you to pass your stool. When you drink water early in the morning, when you wake up without washing your teeth and mouth, it will help you to clean your stool easily. You will not feel constipation in your life. You will not feel. And the saliva will help you to increase your digestion, and the saliva will heal other lots of diseases in your body. So first thing you have to do early in the morning, wake up and drink lots of water, 1 glass of water, and don't drink it like fast. Slowly. Drink slowly. Drink, roll it, take it. Again, do like this and just be sit. Don't drink water when you stand. When you're standing. Always drink water when you're sitting. So you have to do this every day. And this is the yogic patterns. This is called Deha Shuddhi. To clean your body, clean your stomach, intestine every day. Then you will go to pass your stool, then wash your teeth and mouth, and you can start your day. And this first thing you have to do every day in your life. And if you drink lukewarm water, according to the science says if you drink cold water, your stomach take 20 minutes to the water reach to the small intestine in 20 minutes. If you drink that room temperature water, the normal temperature water, so it will take 20 minutes to reach to your small intestine. And if you drink hot water or lukewarm water, it will take 7 to 8 minutes to reach to your small intestine. But if you drink cold water, it will take more time and more energies. Because when you drink cold water, your whole body try to increase the temperature of your belly, of your stomach, to make the water normal. Then it will go to the small intestine. It means you're consuming more energy if you drink cold water. But we need energies because we are doing some hard work in our life, mental and physical. So we cannot waste energies because of our bad habits. That's why lots of people feel weak in their life and less energy, low energies because of wrong habits. Because they are used to wrong habits in their life. So this is the reason don't drink cold water. Never. And mostly in the Western culture, food habits in lots of countries they drink cold drinks with the food. That is so wrong. It's like a poison. So when you wake up, drink water, lukewarm water. It is very good for you. It will then you can pass your stool very easily with that. And you will feel good about it. And the second and most important part of it. Don't drink water all day. No, don't drink water. Nowadays, lots of theories available on YouTube and the other medias and other platforms. Drink lots of water. You can detox your toxins out through when you drink water. It is not. Only drink water when you feel thirsty. Your body will respond you. Your body will tell you when you need water. When your body needs water. Don't drink all the time. Drinking a lot of people drinking 6 liters or 5 liters of water every day. It will create disease in your body. It will affect your organs. If you follow just these 2 simple steps in your daily life, you will feel your digestion is improved. There is no constipation issue in your life anymore. Your liver will work perfectly. You can purify your blood easily. Without medicine, you can purify your blood. When you follow these 2 simple steps, that yogi do. They drink lots of water early in the morning when they wake up, before past stool. And after that, they drink water when they need it, when they feel thirsty, but not so much, just a little bit. Because they are yogis, so they can consume less water, but we are working in the society, we need to do lots of hard works, so we can drink 1 glass of water when we feel thirsty, but never drink water when you're standing. Because the body needs that juice. When you drink water, the body needs that water juice in the belly. And when we drinking water, when we are standing, so it will go down directly in our legs. It will affect the joints, the knees. You will feel pain in your joints, in your leg joints. So always drink water. When you're sitting, don't drink water like fast now, easy. Roll it in your mouth and drink. Use that saliva. It's an incredible medicine. Miracle medicine body consume. Lots of animals, they heal themselves to lick themselves. Why? They use that saliva. It's so powerful. So use it. Drink water early in the morning and then drink water when you feel thirsty. Don't drink water after food. When you had food, just give gap at least 45, minimum 45 minutes. Maximum you can give 1 hour, 2 hours. It's only up to you. Don't drink water instant after you have food. No, that is not right. It will affect your digestive system. It will affect your liver. The Jataragni. In the Ayurveda we call it as a Jataragni. Stomach fire, the heat. If you drink water, it will low down. Then your body will not digest your food. It will become poison inside you and it will create lots of diseases. So don't drink water after food. Drink water rolling in your mouth. That's saliva. Drink water slowly, sip. Somebody, according to the research in Germany, there is a people who are suffering from dialysis, from the kidney disease, and they do this research. They use this method, but they drink water like with the spoon. Whenever they feel thirsty, they give water with the spoon only one spoon. They roll it and drink. And after 1 year, this simple method, the patient can cure easily their kidney. You don't need any dialysis now. Your kidney is so powerful. And it happens with research. And it's an Ayurvedic lifestyle. It's a yogic lifestyle. It's a yogic way to drink water. If you follow this simple, very simple step I'm coming, you can change your life. I will make another video, otherwise the video will go very long. So on the food, and don't drink water when you are going to sleep. You can drink water till sunset. After sunset, don't drink much water. Don't drink. Only less. If you feel thirsty, this is summer times, in the autumn, so we feel thirsty sometimes. So you can drink less water. If you're feeling thirsty, so you can drink less water. Don't drink before going to sleep. It will disturb your sleep. If you drink water before sleep, it will disturb your sleep and you will not get energy. Because in this sleep, in the deep sleep, silent, thoughtless, dreamless sleep, provide us deep healing energies. So if you drink water before sleep, so you will feel weak and it will create disturbance in your night. Then you will feel tired, headache. This kind of effect will come. You will be tired and headache. So don't drink water before sleep. If you feel thirsty, you can drink sip only. Just feel that. To fulfill your thirst. That's it. Early in the morning, you can drink. Speak as much as you can, maximum 1 minute. Slowly increase your capacity every day. Follow these steps in your life and see the changes. Just follow these steps 45 days, 21 days. Just see the changes. Don't drink cold water, always drink lukewarm water or room temperature water. Don't drink water after food. Don't drink, and drink water when you feel thirsty. and see the changes in your body, in your thoughts, in your mind, in your life. So keep follow this step. Just tell me after me how you feeling that. Oh.